issued a special marine warning for Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptown Cripper to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptown Cripper until 10:30 a.m. At 9:35 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms across Anne Arundel and Calvert counties. This line of storms were moving east at 35 knots and are capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near North Beach, Chesapeake Beach, Bloody Point Lighthouse, Poplar Island, Plum Point, Miles River, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Black Walnut Point, Shops Island Lighthouse, Choptown Cripper. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.